Hey GCG crew, just a few days left before the November 20th deadline to submit your entry to win the $3,000 grand prize in our sweepstakes. Before we run our season finale holiday special, announce our winner, and show you a highlight reel of this entire customization from start to finish. It's time for Extreme Golf Cart Makeover right now on GCGTV. Welcome to Extreme Golf Cart Makeover. Make sure you stick around for the end of today's episode to see the sweepstakes winners announced for this month. We've been working really hard here in the Golf Cart Garage on customizing our Yamaha G29 golf cart. Today, we're installing a wet bar and a Hellcat engine on... We're installing the rooftop, the windshield, the steering wheel, and the mirrors from DoubleTake. If you've been following our whole makeover series, you already know that Golf Cart Garage carries full DoubleTake customization kits in various styles and colors for the top models from Yamaha, E-Z-GO, and Club Car. But I should also mention that we have friendly reps to help you put your project and order together by phone or email every day. We'll wrap up this whole project with some armored Nerf bar steps from MadJax to help our client make their way more easily into this lifted custom cart. We started off by using the hardware we removed when tearing the cart apart to reinstall the top struts. This is a great time to mention that the most successful and stress-free customization projects start with labeling and even photographing your removed hardware to keep track of it for later. About 50% of the installations that we complete reuse previously removed rivets, nuts, bolts, etc. So next, we installed the top using the brackets and hardware in the kit. Keeping the whole transformation uniform to DoubleTake's kit made all the blue match perfectly, and the results came out just how we wanted. This client's project called for a typical stock 54-inch rooftop, but there are also extended rooftops available from DoubleTake to cover rear seats and match the color schemes flawlessly. Next up, we installed our DoubleTake windshield with magnetic fasteners. Once we removed the protective shipping film from the windshield itself and tested out the magnets, we were really impressed. This is a very cool way to help keep the windshield firmly attached either in the up or down position, and helps fix the age-old problem of dry-rotting rubber clamps that we see on a lot of older models. Next up, we installed our new DoubleTake Pilot steering wheel. It came with an adapter to fit the Yamaha steering column and a blue insert to match the rest of the custom kit. The Pilot steering wheel has a great, heavy feel in your hands and was a big upgrade over the OEM wheel in both look and feel. This simple install goes together with just hand tools, but a good pro tip is to keep the nut on the steering column loosely attached when you're removing the original wheel, so that it doesn't hit anyone in their pretty face. Sometimes it can take some force or even a mallet strike to help remove the factory wheel. Panoramic mirrors are also a simple install that just requires drilling some pilot holes for the brackets and then carefully using hand tools to attach the brackets without stripping the screws. Once that part is complete, we use screw-down knobs to complete the installation and adjust the mirror for the comfort of any given driver. I'm guessing that golfers are using them more to help fix their hair than to check behind them for safety, but nonetheless, it's a great street-legal accessory installation for any cart. Last, but certainly not least, we're finishing up our project by installing armored Nerf bars from my favorite brand, MadJax. As per usual, these came in great-looking packaging, well protected with premium construction and look. But don't let the name Nerf bars fool you. Literally every game of catch that we've tried to play with these has resulted in significant injury. So today we decided to install them to the golf cart instead, to give drivers and passengers an 8-inch lower step into the golf cart. so they can get my floors dirty. Again. If you're my height or age, you know this is a valuable accessory. Now that we've got all of our installations complete, we're ready to put together a before and after montage to show you the entire cart transformation in our next and final episode, along with announcing our final monthly winners and our $3,000 grand prize winner in the sweepstakes. Maybe we'll even give you a sneak peek at our cart for Season 2. Make sure to visit the Extreme Golf Cart Makeover page at the address on your screen to follow along to the whole series and enter to win big for your cart. Make sure to check that out today. There's a video there on that page to help you get your grand prize entry done before the November 20th deadline. Here are the 3 lucky winners taking home Golf Cart Garage store credit this month. Third prize this month goes to Tim M. from Arizona, who gets $50 for his E-Z-Go. Second prize goes to Gail S. from Oregon, who gets $100 for her club car. And first prize this month goes to Ted R. from the Villages, Florida. Congratulations on your $200 prize for your Yamaha. Congratulations to our winners from all your friends here in the garage. Just stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call if there's anything that we can do to help out with your project. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.